Hi, brothers and sisters, how are you all? I hope all are doing great. Welcome to our channel English Ocean. Today, I would like to share some words often confused. As usual, our video starts with some eminent personalities quotes. And today's quote is Swami Vivekananda quote. We are what our thoughts have made us. We are what our thoughts have made us. So take care about our what you think, what are secondary. Thoughts leave, they travel far. Again I quote, we are what our thoughts have made us. So take care about what you think. Words are secondary, thoughts leave, they travel far. It means what we think we will become like that. If we think in positive way, we will become a positive person. If we think in a negative way, we will become a negative person. Like that, always think in a positive way. Let's go our topic. Let's begin our topic. Words often confused. First one is accept, expect, expect. Accept means ACCEPT. Next one EXCEPT, expect. For example, the principal did not accept the staff's proposal. Accept means agree. The principal did not accept the staff's proposal. Accept means agree. Next one, expect. Expect means like no other than. Expect means other than. My cousin, all the relatives attended my sister's wedding. Expect me like that. My cousin, all the relatives attended my sister's wedding. It's other than. Then after angle, angel or angle, like same words, angel and angle. Angels are like that, attended or God or God's messenger. Like we will sometimes will like that, you are an angel, like for everyone, like a mother is an angel. Like that, angels are shown in pictures dressed in white with wings. Angels are shown in pictures dressed with white with wings. Dressed in white with wings. Angel means attendant of God or God's messenger. Next word, angle. Angle means we have different angles. If you look from his angle, from this angle, the woman in the picture is seen smiling. Like angle means point of view. Like his point of his angle is different and her angle is different. Like that, angle is point of view. If you look from his from this angle, the woman in the picture is seen smiling. We are human beings, so we are like we are our angle is different in at home, like in a college, like in any profession, like in a office, like that. Our angles are different in different depend upon the situation. It's a point of view. Then after one, next word, break, break, B-R-A-K-E, break, B-R-E-A-K, break. It means break means ignorance acts as a brake to progress. Brake means device reducing or stopping speed. It's a one of the device reducing or stopping speed. For example, ignorance acts as a brake to progress. Like it's a common like human beings will ignore everything. It's a common thing to everyone. Like no, that ignorance acts as a brake to our progress. It stops our progress. It just stops our speed. Then after break, B-R-E-A-K, break. Glass breaks easily. Glass breaks easily. Break means separate into two or more parts due to strain. Break means separate into like our out breaks sometimes. Like that. Break separate into two or more parts due to strain. Then after next word, bad and badly. Bad. Don't take photographs if the light is bad. If the light is bad, that photographs will look like it's not look like good. Don't take bad. Don't take in bad way, like that. Don't take photographs if the light is bad. Next one, badly. This building needs repairs badly. Badly means seriously or urgently. Badly, I want to go somewhere. Seriously or urgently. Badly, I want to attend the meeting. This building needs repairs badly. Badly means seriously or urgently. Next one, alternate and alternative. Alternate means happening one after the other regularly. Happening one after the other regularly. For example, John has a work on alternate Sundays. It's a happening one after the other Sundays, like it's a regularly. It's a regularly. John has a work on alternate days. We have exams on alternate days. Next one, alternative. Alternative means option out of two or more things. Option out of two or more things. For example, we had to alternative but to fire the thief. We had no alternative but to fire the thief. We have to alternate decision to take in our life. This is the alternative thing we should do. Like now, option out of two or more things. Next one, accent, accent, accent. Accent means ASCENT, accent, that is the one word, and ASSENT, accent, that is the another word, and ACCENT, accent, this is the another word. In these three sentences, we will sometimes confused. Then first one, ascent, ASCENT, that means an upward journey, an upward journey. For example, the cart began its gradual ascent up the hill. The cart began its gradual ascent up the hill. Next one, another ascent, ASSENT, ascent. That is the president has given his assent to the bill. Assent means official approval. Official approval. The president have given his assent to the bill. Like the PM, like a Pradhan Mantri has given his assent to the like COVID-19, like lockdown. Official approval. Then next one, as accent. Accent means style of pronunciation. Our Indian accent is different and a foreign language accent is different. We have each and every individual accent in our own way. Depend upon our like a mother tongue. Style of pronunciation. For example, the tourist spoke English with a native accent. The tourist spoke English with a native accent. Like foreign people will spoke like they will speak with a negative accent. Why? Because of they are from childhood on they are like their native language is English. Because of that, their accent is different from Indian accent. Next one, analog, analogous. Analog means similar. Analog means similar. For example, scientists compare the features of extinct animals with living analogs. Scientists compare the features of extinct animals with living features. Analog means similar. We have analog, like analog textbooks, similar textbooks. We have analog features. Some people have analog features. Next one, analogs, analogous, sorry, analogous. Analogous means comparable. We will compare to different like persons. Comparable. Comparable means, for example, sleep is considered in some way to be analogous to death. Comparable, yeah, like sleeping is equal to death. Whenever you sleep, then no, we like it's a like a death. Sleeping considered in some way to analogous to death. Comparable. Next word, analysis, analyze. Analysis and analyze. Analysis means the detailed study of something. Our analysis is different from that book, that book. Like for example, the book is an analysis of poverty and its causes. The book is of analysis of literature and all about poets are poetess. Next one, analyze means he tried to analyze his feelings. Analyze means examine. I try to analyze myself. Yeah, this is the some words often confused. I hope you understand my video. Please, you have any problem, like no, if you are not understand my video, please comment me, and comment on my like a box. Then please, if you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you. Keep smiling and home, stay safe. Keep smiling and always be happy. Thank you. We will meet in next video. Thank you. Have a great day. All the best to all. Thank you.